In today's video, we are installing and reviewing a super cool wireless charger, which is a phone mount that is fully integrated within the Tesla Model 3 and assists with having a clear view of navigation while driving and much more. This is also applicable for Tesla Model Y. I wouldn't be very excited about this product if it was just any other wireless charger or a phone mount. We have reviewed a lot of those in this channel, but this really is a next level product. It fits seamlessly in a Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. And why don't I tell you how to install this product first, and then I'll tell you everything that you need to know, the functionality, how use cases, and what I think about this product towards the end of this video. As always, if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider being a channel subscriber. This kit comes with everything you need for the installation. The wireless charger will go on the steering wheel column. This method of securing and installing is very similar to one of the display clusters I reviewed a couple of months ago. Before you begin the installation, adjust the steering wheel so it is all the way outward and down. This next step is an optional step, but removing the dash makes the installation much easier. To remove the dash, pry open the side panel by using the pry tool. Then remove this top tab by using the same pry tool. Follow the exact same step on the other side to remove the other two panels on the other side of the car. Now, simply pull the dash panel up and it will come off. Next, undo the two plastic fasteners here. This is why I said it would be helpful, because you need to remove the top steering wheel panel and pry tool doesn't go in easy. You can use your hands to lift from the back and the panel comes off super easily. Take your time removing the top panel by lifting it up on all sides. Remove the panel and set it aside. Now reach under the driver's side footwell and remove the Torq 20 screw that you see right next to the light. To make the installation even easier, this is an optional step. Remove the bottom light panel by undoing the two plastic tabs. Now run a fishing wire from the steering wheel to the bottom panel. Run the cable using the fishing wire and keep the fishing wire intact. You could accidentally pull the cable during the rest of the installation, so I recommend leaving the fishing wire as is. Remove the side door panel. Next, remove the bottom door panel plastic fastener. You don't have to remove much of the panel, as you can reach the inside plug easily. Unplug this blue plug that you see behind the bottom door panel. Use the Y connector that came with the kit to complete the connection. You just have to match up the male and female plugs on the blue and white connection. Let's install the charger now. Grab the steering wheel panel we removed earlier, and we'll need to remove the leather part. To remove the leather part, first pull on each end to undo the end clips. Simply pinch and push the inner tabs to release the leather part. Next, install the leather part on our new charger panel. Simply slide the cable from the center hole and align the charger in place. Secure the charger by installing the screws that came with the kit. The charger should fit very well and shouldn't have any gaps. Now we simply connect the cable together, and you can use an electrical tape if you want to be extra secure. Push the steering wheel panel back in place. Secure the leather part by using the plastic fastener. Install the dash panel. Put back all the panels that we removed earlier. The installation is now complete. So what does it do? This is a phone mount with a built-in wireless charger, fully integrated within the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. However, I think this is the best phone mount wireless charger that I have reviewed or seen anywhere sold for a Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. I like that it does not take any real estate as it mounts behind the steering wheel column. It doesn't look bulky or add-on. This looks very seamless and goes with the car. As Tesla owners, I feel like we tend to not like having cables dangling around or basically any clutter inside our cars. However, given the wireless charger that comes with the Tesla sits under the central console, sometimes I really want my phone to be closer to me while driving. This device solves all those problems. No more visible wires. In addition, many of you are not happy with how Tesla moved the navigation pane further towards the right and made it smaller since the last holiday update we had. With this phone mount, you can put navigation right in front of you without any effort. This is great for folks who do deliveries and ride sharing. You can also download a speedometer on your phone and get a general idea of your speed. Might not be exact, but I think it's close. This is a one-hand operation. I have a rather large phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and as you can see, I can easily take it out and put it back in using just one hand. I don't have to worry about the charger sliding one way or other while putting my phone in. It does not shake at all, and I just really like how sophisticated it looks. Couple of things to note though. The installation was rather involved for a simple device like this. So some of you might not be able to install this given how comfortable you are installing something like this, but my step-by-step guide should help you out with the installation. I also wish it supported both vertical and horizontal orientation for your phone. Right now it is just horizontal orientation, so you can't turn your phone towards vertical. Frankly, there is not enough space behind the steering wheel to be able to do that. That is why they probably restricted the motion. Finally, I wish the price could be a little better. I understand that it takes a lot of cost to build the steering wheel panel, the Y splitter, figure all of this out, the wireless charger itself, as well as they offer free shipping to the US. So I understand where they're coming from, and thankfully they were able to put a 10% discount code, especially for this channel, for this review. So if you are going to purchase this wireless charger, I'm gonna put a link here in the description of this video, as well as that special discount code. So please take advantage of that offer. A lot of you have been asking me to find a solution like this, where you can have your phone right in front of you without having any of the cables dangling around and not hugging up one of the USB ports in the central console. So this is a great solution for those of you who have been asking for me to find a product like this. That will do it for today's review. I hope you found it helpful. I will have many more exciting and cool products like this in the future. So if you would like to see those videos, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you again for your continued support. I will see you soon in my next Tesla video. Namaste.